Have you ever thought about how the spinning parts in your car can rotate thousands of times per minute without instantly melting from the heat of friction? The secret lies in a small but incredible piece of engineering called a ball bearing or a self-aligning bearing. These parts are designed to handle high speeds with minimal resistance by using small steel spheres that roll between an inner and outer ring. One of the most important versions of this part in automotive applications is the self-aligning ball bearing, which is built to handle situations where the mounting might be slightly off-center. In a perfect world, everything would be perfectly straight, but in a vibrating car, parts can sometimes shift by a few degrees. These bearings are designed to tolerate an angle of deviation, usually between 2 and 4 degrees, though some high-performance versions can handle up to 7 degrees of misalignment. The design works because the outer ring has a spherical surface that allows the inner ring and the balls to pivot slightly without locking up. Because only the very top point of each ball touches the tracks, there is very little surface contact, which means less friction and a much higher limit for how fast the part can spin. This is why you will find them in everything from your wheels to your transmission, and even in the smaller motors that power your windshield wipers. Proper lubrication is the only thing they really need to last for a long time. But if you ever start to hear a high-pitched growling or humming sound from your wheels, it usually means one of these bearings is starting to fail. Replacing them early prevents further damage to the shafts and housings they support, making them a vital part of your car's long-term health.